in 2014, we met Edina from Bosnia and Herzegovina, and we started to develop together the project. We did a lot in attracting service learning and making it more visible in the region, promoting among other organizations, so people accepted it, people started to be engaged, and I met people from other countries that they were developing service learning project. And then through the contact with Edina, I met CLAYSS.
As human beings, we should help each other. In a service learning project, we're not only helping them, but they're helping us to understand how life works in different parts of Romania.
Okay, let's do something. Let's do something for the community. Okay. And this is how the first community service project came up.
The generosity, the humbleness, and the openness to leave those differences behind and work constructively towards a common goal is one of the most important aspects of this network.
There are some challenges, of course. Time is always too short, distance, language barriers sometimes, but we overcome all this.
We had some teachers who were a little bit reluctant on their engagement part. But after we did the training, the teachers, some of them of course, not all, kind of became more engaged and more interested in this process, and they supported us in the application of this methodology. To engage students in new methodologies of learning, to engage communities, to bring together with the school in order to have better communities for our children and for our people.
Service learning allows students to put into practice what they learn at school or at university. It therefore motivates them to learn more, to learn better. It also empowers communities and teachers and students by having them work together toward a common good.
It's not just extracurricular, but also in teaching math or geography and biology. And we have many teachers that try to combine the service learning with the discipline.
We are planning to have expanding service learning methodology to other parts of the country, because so far we did it only in Tuzla Canton, but now we are expanding it to 3 more cantons in our country. In 2005, I was only one teacher, and now we have more than 30 teachers at the university who are developing the service learning project. It's real. It can be done also in other countries.
It was actually a team effort to promote service learning and, of course, to mentor teams of students and teachers and encourage their initiatives, expand projects, and to multiply leadership.
The first and basic thing in service learning is the active participation of students, and that is why service learning belongs to young people.
Even though we are children, we feel like adults because it's a lot of work and it's basically almost student-led.
I learned how to be a leader not only by leading others, but also by understanding their needs.
Some of the teachers are not used to see the students as leaders. They are beneficiaries. For us, it was like a big challenge to lead the students lead the project.
You should definitely get involved in the service learning project, because it's not only the way you help the others, it's also really good for your soul, because seeing the happiness of the people you help is the best feeling in this world.
We need more people to have more hands in order to do more things. When we have more quality projects, we have more teachers who are convinced, we have more head teachers who allow this to happen in their schools, we have more parents who understand the importance of this, and we therefore have
more mayors, more ministers of education receiving pressure on this.
I really strongly encourage both non-profit organizations as well as government institutions to join the network, because there is a treasure of resources and experience.